Quick update on Coach Home Building Number 8. This will actually be where our models will be. We've got several coach homes that are now in various stages of construction as we go down the street with mixed availability, but in this one, unit number 822, this one is already sold. So this is the Bay Creek floor plan. We're going to take a walk through here as an update to the clients who have already purchased. If you're interested in the coach homes, these you're going to get the best bang for your buck. Reach out to me directly, arthur.richardson@lennar.com, 941-773-2792. Let's have a look through the Bay Creek floor plan in the coach homes.